I'd say the scholarship is eye-opening. It allows you to do things that you never thought would be possible. It gives you a sense of freedom because you don't have to sit there in a lecture thinking, oh, I've got to go to work soon, I have to do this, but I've got a deadline. You can just focus on your work, get the grades that you need without having any financial worries. My mum had bipolar. She did struggle to look after me and my older brother. So as a result, I went with my grandparents and my brother went to live with an uncle. I'm studying theatre and performance. Back in Year 7 French, we watched a French film called The Chorus. This old music teacher comes into a school full of badly behaved boys and he uses music as a way to teach them and to help them. And I just fell in love with it straight away. I then went on to have singing lessons and got up to grade 4, and then when I came to university I was determined that I would find a choir and join opera. I was talking to my grandparents about how the finances would work and everything, and they did say, not in a harsh way, but they said, you are an adult now, so you will be on your own. I think without the scholarship I'd be like a lot of my peers and I would be struggling. The scholarship has helped me to secure nice accommodation in Henry Price, pay my membership for societies and opened up so many opportunities. My flatmates just assume we spend 7-8 hours a week prancing on a stage and looking pretty when we're sat in long lectures learning about different practitioners, politics, bits of sociology, literature. Originally I did aspire to go into teaching, but having spoken to my tutors and seen all the professors, I'd like to be just like them. If I had the donor sitting here now, I would say thank you very much for your kindness. It's very much appreciated, and I hope that you continue to help others and help change their lives.